In the figure to the left, lines D and C are parallel, and line B, this kind of one going diagonally right here, bisects angle PQR. In the measure of angle, if the measure of angle SQR is 150, what is the value of x? Okay, so we didn't really have to say this, and the question is really labeled there right for. So RQS is 115. So that means since RQS and PQR make a straight line with line D here, PRQ, or PQR, is going to be equal to 180 minus 115. It just so happens to be, what is that? It's 65. Yeah. So that's the angle of PQR as a whole. Now, we know that this line B right here, this one going diagonally right there, bisects PQR. So each of these individual angles right here are going to be the same value, and they're going to be 65 divided by 2. That is 35, or 32.5. So PQ, let's just label this M, I don't know. So PQM is 32.5, and MQR is 32.5. So let's look at this angle here. So I already used x to kind of show it right here, but x will equal one of these two values. X is going to be equal to 32.5. So if we think about it, this angle right here is going to be congruent to this angle right here, which happens to be, I believe it's 147.5 if you added 115 to 32.5. So that means this angle right here is going to be similar to this one right here, congruent with, right there. And we already know the value for that, 32.5, as I said. X is equal to 32.5. 32.5. Oh, did that one. It's always kind of an easy mistake to make with these kind of questions. You get the right answer, but then you just don't plot it right. Always double check plotting at your answers. Make sure you don't lose points but for a silly mistake like that. Okay, let's move on.